Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Bondex. First, you need to have MetaMask ready. Make sure it's installed on your browser or phone. If you are new, create a new wallet or simply import an existing one. Remember, your seed phrase is super important. Keep it safe and secret, perhaps written down in 2 separate, secure locations. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Bondex website. It's crucial to verify the URL to ensure you are on the correct site and not a fake one. Once there, look for the Connect Wallet button. This button is usually easy to spot, often positioned prominently in the upper right-hand section of the page, ready for your next step. Now, click on the Connect Wallet button you just found. A list of different wallet options will appear. From this list, choose MetaMask. Immediately after your selection, a small pop-up window will emerge from your MetaMask extension. This window is asking for your explicit permission to establish a connection between your wallet and the Bondex platform. Finally, take a moment to review the details in the MetaMask pop-up. It will show you what permissions Bondex is requesting. Once you are comfortable with the information, click Connect or Approve inside the MetaMask window. With that one click, your MetaMask wallet is now successfully connected to Bondex, and you are ready to begin using the platform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.